So you may have just picked up your iPhone 16e and you might be ready to go ahead and actually basically factory reset it and sell it or return it or whatever the case is. Now to do this, it's actually a very basic process. To get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over into your settings application. So make your way over into settings, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to click on this general option that's right here. So tap right into general, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on, scroll all the way down, and you want to click on this transfer or reset iPhone option at the bottom. Now, before you continue, it's very important that you know, basically before you factory reset your phone or do anything with it, to back up all the data that you have. So if you want to make any iCloud backup or backup to your computer or anything like that, this is the time to do it. Now you can also click on prepare for new phone up here and click on get started, and you can go and make a backup completely for free of your whole entire phone for I think like a couple of weeks or a month or something. So you can back up all your data here if you want to. So that's also an option. If you don't want to do it, click on not now at the bottom. And then at the very bottom, you'll see these two tabs. If you want to delete everything off your phone and just remove everything, you want to click on this erase all content and settings option that's at the bottom. So tap on this portion, and then you're going to come here. If you want to back up all your information and all your stuff, this is the time to do it again. If not, you can click on if you're ready to continue on, you can click on continue, but you can also tap into here and you can disable or enable everything you want to. Click on continue, and then you want to click on erase iPhone at the bottom. So now you can skip the backup. I'd recommend just skipping it if you already have a thing. Now you can input your information that you already had, so make sure you type in your password. And then after typing in your password, you'll be able to see that your particular iPhone 16e will go ahead and reset, and it will go ahead and restart by itself, and then it will come into its main panel. So that's basically it. You can keep your eye on it. Make sure it's kind of charged for the most part, but you probably don't even have to mess with that. But that's basically how you do it. You've pretty much reset your iPhone 16e. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, not me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.